Kinderlearn. Do you know the national symbols of India? Let's check out. National flag. National emblem. National anthem Jana Gana Mana. National song Vande Mataram. National currency Rupee. National bird Peacock. National animal Royal Bengal tiger. National aquatic animal Ganges dolphin. National reptile King Cobra. National microbe National fruit mango. National tree banyan. National flower Lotus. National vegetable pumpkin. National river Ganga. National mountain Nanda Devi. National sports hockey. National heritage animal elephant. National heritage bird Indian eagle. Thank you for watching Kinderlearn. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.